Hi guys! Sometimes, screwdrivers wear out, and I don't know if you can see that very well, but this one has seen better days. And, well, I haven't been to Lidl in a while, but I went there to get this nice replacement set. And let's open it with another product I got from Lidl. Nice foldable Stanley blade. So let's see, how does this one open up? Oh well. Let's see. And more plastic. Little seal. Hello. There we go. Close the knife so we can work safely. And it's PowerFix Profi. Very nice. And let's see. A number of screwdrivers here. And let's see. This one conforms in size to this one. So, there we go. Well, that's a bit smaller. So it is this one. Very nice. And let's grab a screw and see if they're magnetic. Yes, it is. And that's of course always very handy if you want to, well, work with screws. So that's that. And let's see, this one seems to be either this one, nope, or this one. Yeah, that's more of the size. Well, that's nice. And let's see if I can replace my smallest one as well, which is handy to have. And nope. Nope. Not one like that. So, this isn't the ideal set, but let's put them down here. This one is one I have to replace as well. So, there we go. This is a more crude set than I would have liked, but still, for what I paid for it, and it was 4.99 euros. So that would be 4.99 euros. I'm happy with it. At least for, that price. 7 screwdrivers in a nice handy box. Oh well. So, hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. And, well, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.